We lost our pets of 16 years, Sasha and Sheba, our kitty cat sisters, this past year. We relocated to North Carolina, and this beautiful cat was laying on our well house with his arm hanging over when we arrived. And ever since, he's been hanging around, and we have named him Sir Francis Morris Edwards.
Sleepy, you can tell.
Good. You adapt right back to this. Get a drink and I'll be back, baby.
Love you.
Love you, beautiful. Yeah, this guy invaded us. And then left.
He's coming.
Not doing that.
No.
Francis loves to hang out with us, especially when we go out to the field.
Yeah, he wouldn't have come out.
She doing? Oh, Francis, you don't really want out.
This sucks. You got snowflakes on your back.
Nice, slow snowflakes. They're just super slow.
Yeah.
Just kind of want to film him if I
They
can.
were melting. They were literally on his back. He just walked up there for a second.
That little rascal. Look at it come down. It's just kind of weird looking.
Yeah.
I had a couple of major harp gigs in December, so I decorated my harp for the gigs for the Christmas events. This particular gig was in Newcastle, Virginia, at a really cool farm called Highclere Hall. Had a bit of a British theme to it. Due to the drive, the homeowners at Highclere Hall allowed us to stay in one of their lodges called the Old Lodge, which was very nice. And then we returned the next day. It was a nice little gig. Their Christmas party was an open house to the community and also to promote their Highclere Hall, where they have a farm and they'll be doing events and have lodging. Highclere Hall is deep in the Virginia mountains of Southwest Virginia in the Shenandoah Valley. It's very beautiful up here. All right, we have the fence up, or shall I say Trevor has the fence up. It goes all the way back here to this corner, all the way over there close to the church, and then all the way over to the road. Right here, we're going to have our stand. Eventually, we hope to have a tobacco barn like that one. You can buy them, the used ones, and you have to reassemble them. And that be kind of our stand, or some old wagons. Over here, we're going to have our hoop houses, which will also help with the deer, kind of giving obstacles before they make it to the fence. Over here will be our greenhouse. Hoop house and greenhouses back here. Plus we're going to put a line of our cherry trees on the back over here. Inside the fence, Trevor is getting ready to plant the blueberry bushes that came. We ordered them and they ship them out when they're ready to plant. So he's getting ready to do the so-called dormant blueberries, but I look like I see some greenery on one of them. Hope everything will be okay. Let's go visit Trevor. We are so excited to plant our cherry trees, our raspberry plants, blackberry plants, blueberry plants, elderberry bushes, and we have asparagus. We bought some at King at a local store, and then we've also ordered some. These plants can take up to 3 years to start producing, so that's why it's important that we get them in the ground now. In January, we are going to put our greenhouse up and start planting our vegetable, flower, and herb seeds. We cannot hardly wait. Right. So here's the fence on the back side. Goes all the way to the road and close to the house.
Let's see how deep this guy needs to be. The roots come in sideways. That's not good. It's not ideal. Ooh.
All of the plants we bought, we tried to buy at a local store, and they didn't have as many as we wanted, so we also ordered some online, and they will be mailed to us when they're ready to plant. As you can see, our little cat Francis loves to hang out with us when we're in the garden. We purchased 9 cherry trees, 9 blueberries, 7 raspberries, 7 blackberries, 2 elderberry, and 30 asparagus. All needs to be planted now. It'll take 3 years for them to start producing. We want way more than what we bought, but we wanted to get a little bit of everything. And then the blackberries and raspberries start to self-propagate, and we can propagate the blueberries and cherry trees as well. So we will be adding to the amount of how many we have planted. Soon we will be planting vegetable seeds, herb seeds, and flower seeds in our greenhouse, and be able to start selling hopefully by garden season. We love our house and property here in North Carolina. We especially love the long views of the Blue Ridge Mountains in the background. There is a cemetery across the street that actually belonged to our house and their family. I'd love to get pictures of it someday. Someday we hope to have a tobacco barn as our stand. Here are the rows of blueberry bushes. And there's the Blue Ridge Mountains right back there. And our blueberry bushes are here. The views of the Blue Ridge Mountains in the background are so visible where we are standing. However, I can't seem to capture how well we can literally see them in pictures.
So the bottom stayed. Huh. Yeah, something jumped. I mean, I think it was a deer. Because these are all still here, intact. Like it could have even been a bird, honestly. Big one. I mean, I don't think. It actually could have.
It's a very mystical day.
Yeah, I think we're supposed to have a chance of rain. Is it tomorrow? Well, there's a chance today. All right, was that what we got?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Francis, you are so adorable. Are you our work little kitty? Oh.
We love our little Francis. We love it here. It's so peaceful here. We just love the quietness and the beauty.
And then there's another, I think we're actually seeing further today than normal.
Yeah,
I think there's an extra line back there today.
I can see at least 3 ridges.
You see?
Uh-huh.
I think that one that's got kind of a flat top, I don't think we
Uh-huh.
usually see that one.
Yeah.
It's usually the big bump is the highest.
Yeah.
We're super excited about our camp trips coming up. You can book about 6 months in advance. So far we have one booked in April. We will be going to Philpott Lake with a lakefront site, and we're going to hike at Ferrystone Park and hunt for fairy stones. Philpott Lake is in Virginia, not very far from us. In May, we have a camp trip scheduled for Stone Mountain, where we plan to hike the Stone Mountain, and that is in North Carolina.
Oh, Francis.
I could go to sleep with you there, Francis.